In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to template tasks in ClickUp and use automations. ClickUp is a powerful productivity and task management platform designed to help you organize your workflow and save time. One of its standout features is the ability to create automations which allow you to streamline repetitive tasks and focus on what really matters. Today, I'll walk you through creating a basic automation in ClickUp that updates a task status automatically. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just exploring its automation capabilities, this tutorial will guide you step by step. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your ClickUp workspace. Head over to the ClickUp website and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your workspace dashboard where all your projects and tasks are stored. Next, navigate to the folder, space, or list where you want to set up your automation. This is the specific area in your workspace where the automation will apply. So take a moment to decide which part of your workflow you want to streamline. For example, you might choose a space dedicated to team projects or a list for managing client tasks. Once you're in the right location, look toward the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the automation button, which is usually represented by a lightning bolt icon. Go ahead and click on that button to open the automation settings. Now, from the menu that appears, select the option that says Create Automation. This is where the magic happens. You're about to build an automation tailored to your needs. The first step in creating your automation is to choose a trigger. In this case, you'll select Status Change as the trigger. This means the automation will activate whenever the status of a task is updated. Once you've chosen the trigger, you'll need to set a condition for it. For this tutorial, set the trigger condition to If Status is Closed. This tells ClickUp to watch for tasks that are marked as closed. With the trigger set, it's time to define the action that will follow. For the action, choose Change Status to Completed. This ensures that whenever a task status is updated to closed, the automation will automatically change it to completed. It's a small yet powerful adjustment that eliminates the need for manual status updates. After defining your trigger and action, it's important to save your automation. Look for the Save button, usually located in the bottom corner of the Automation Setup window, and click it. This finalizes your automation and makes it active within your workspace. Now that your automation is ready, it's a good idea to test it. Try marking a task's status as closed and watch as the automation updates the status to completed automatically. This will confirm that everything is working as intended and that your automation is set up correctly. If you're new to ClickUp and don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start exploring its incredible features. And that's it. You've successfully created an automation in ClickUp that simplifies your workflow and keeps your tasks organized. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.